Gata, boom, what's the word, y'all? How y'all feel today on this nice little Thursday today? Make sure y'all stay blessed. Make sure y'all stay motivated. Continue making this money every single day and continue to stay productive. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Continue to support the channel. Continue to spread like it's wildfire. Give me 2 for my songs down in the comment section. We'll be doing them the same day or the next day. You feel what I'm saying? But other than that, turn your post notification if you're new and also subscribe because I'll be going crazy every single day and you will get that notification at the top of your device. Also, tune to the link in the description down below for the Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. I'll be on 3 of them things, but I mainly be on my Instagram. You feel what I'm saying? But right now, we're going to be tuning into From My Block. You feel me? 1Hunnud, beep beep, from the block performance. So we're going to chill into this shit right now. No cap.
Real. Outside of the new thing called the streets, who me? I've been in the trap every day, I don't get much sleep. I need something so real, you can feel it in your knees. I need something like you need someone like me. If you ever lost, but I'ma find you. Even when you wrong, but I'm behind you. I want something real, I don't want kind of. How you feel, my man, to my designer. All the things you work when you're around her. Yeah, you might get hurt sometime, you gotta. All you gotta do is just be honest. I never needed a favor, baby, I don't need you. Don't care nothing about no bitch if she ain't for my people.
That's a fact. I ain't never need a favor from a nigga. You feel what I'm saying? Always gotta do what I gotta do. Feel me? Talk that shit, bro. 100. Talk that shit. Keep talking. I like this shit. I like this little vibe that you bring it to. Feel what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie. Most of these From My Block performance are really just rap songs, but I like how he bring the smooth within the song. You feel what I'm saying? So bring that smooth vibe here, brother. I'm fucking with it. No cap.
I want the front and the back end. How you gon' fuck with the hustling? I don't see it. I paid it for the game, but I didn't even want to be this. I done got rich and I didn't even notice it. You got it, don't they hit harder than COVID did. I pay them mortgage, I don't even pay the rent. I can feel my circumference. I need a bitch that's enough for security. You know I been out here thugging it. Every screen nigga need a real bitch. Real nigga don't feel it. And I'd rather be on my own if you ain't got my back. How would you feel if I couldn't control the way I act? I don't do too bad, don't care too much about no love. What you gon' do to ride with the baby? I be outside of the new thing called the streets, who me? I've been in the trap every day, I don't get much sleep. I need something so real, you can feel it in your knees. I need something like you need someone like me. If you ever lost, but I'ma find you. Even when you wrong, but I'm behind you. I want something real, I don't want kind of. How you feel, my man, to my designer. All the things you work when you're around her. Yeah, you might get hurt sometime, you gotta. All you gotta do is just be honest. Talk to her, lay it down. Never met another nigga like me wrong. Gotta be real when the time be down. I know you hear me. In the supercharged, being out of here. On every video, now you gon' get me. And I'd rather be on my own if you ain't got my back. How would you feel if I can't control my actions? I don't do too bad, don't care too much about no love. What you gon' do to ride with the baby? I be outside of the new thing called the streets, who me? I've been in the trap every day, I don't get much sleep. I need something so real, you can feel it in your knees.
I like this shit, yo. This shit mad calm. Beep beep is very calm. This is most definitely getting added to my playlist. You already know the vibes. I had to add this one to my playlist because this shit is just a smooth vibe. We have this shorty, you feel me? You pulling up to shorty crib, you beep beep her shit. You feel what I'm saying? He want to feel that love that you get weak to your knees type shit. You feel what I'm saying? And I fuck with this shit. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, 100, I'm fucking with this shit, bro. Keep going. Keep working on your craft, family, because you already know. Black, successful men out here, you already know. We gonna make it, no cap.
Something like you need someone like me. If you ever lost, but I'ma find you. Even when you wrong, but I'm behind you. I want something real, I don't want kind of. How you feel, my man, to my designer. All the things you work when you're around her. Yeah, you might get hurt sometime, you gotta. All you gotta do is just be honest.
That's it. All you gotta do is be honest, for real. Yo, I'm fucking with that Nash jersey, no cap. I'm really fucking with that Nash jersey. That shit is tough on him, no cap. But other than that, make sure y'all stay blessed. Make sure y'all stay motivated. Continue making this money every single day. And stay productive on this beautiful Thursday. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Continue to support the channel. Continue to spread like it's wildfire. Give me 2 former songs down in the comment section. I will be doing them the same day or probably the next day, you feel what I'm saying? Turn on your post notification if you're new and also subscribe because I'll be posting videos every single day. And you will get that notification at the top of your device. Also, tune to the link in the description down below for the Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. I'll be on 3 of them things, but I mainly be on my Instagram, you feel what I'm saying? So make sure you stay tuned in for that for 2 former songs and the comments are in the DMs. But other than that, you have a good one and you be safe. Gata. Boom!
Hey, hold on. They ain't getting money, they big mad. I got big packs. Your nigga, he running this store for me. You come at me wrong, get your shit snatched. You bring your neck down where the clip set. Addicted to drugs, I don't